everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your Goodyear credit card account on your PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Goodyear credit card online, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top, type in Goodyear credit card login and search. From the search results displayed on the next page, click on this first link that says Goodyear credit card login or apply-city.com. Open up the link and you'll end up in the login area for your Goodyear credit card. In the sign on area, go ahead and enter your user ID associated with your account and click on this Remember My User ID box if you'd like the system to remember your user ID, but leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. Head over to the password field and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your password, click on Reset Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. In case you don't remember your user ID, click on Retrieve User ID link and follow the on-screen prompts. After entering your details, click Sign On and you'll be able to get access to your Goodyear credit card account online, quick and easy. That's how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.